back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making hot chocolate fondants. The first thing I'm going to do is rub butter around my basins. I'm going to take some of my grated dark chocolate and spread it around the basin. In my bowl I have some dark chocolate. I'm going to add my butter and melt it in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes and then stirring it afterwards. Now I'm going to pour my chocolate into a bigger bowl. Now I'm going to add in my almonds, cornflour, and finally beat in 2 egg yolks. In my large bowl, I'm going to whisk my egg whites until they form soft peaks. Now I'm going to gradually beat in my caster sugar. I'm now going to fold in my egg white. Now I'm going to take a couple of spoonfuls of my mixture and place it in the bottom. I'm going to take a chocolate truffle and place it in the middle. And then put some mixture over the top and then level it off. I have preheated my fan oven to 160 degrees and I'm going to bake them for 10 to 12 minutes until they have risen and are slightly wobbly. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.